zombie apocalypse.
What's up everyone, it's me Murtaza Ahmed back with another video and welcome back to Trick Legend BD. Alright, so today I'm going to teaching you how to get Photoshop Touch for free and I'll show that you step by step, so let's get into the video. We almost forget one thing. Guess what is that? Yeah, before starting make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Okay, so first thing is go to the link in the description below, which is something like Get Photoshop Touch, and there will be a link. Just press on that link and it will take you to the Google Drive website, and once you went there I will show that to you the step by step. So guys, once you press on that link you will find something like this, and there will be an option like no preview available and download. So all what you have to do, just press on that download button, and if you want to press on the download button there will be something like this. So all what you have to do, just go to Drive, select Drive and press on just once. So there will be something like this, and now choose a account. If you have only one account, so there will be no option. I'm choosing account of my own and press OK. So it will start downloading automatically, and you don't need to wait a pretty much time, but there will be taken a little bit time, so please wait. I'm sorry for this, but it's the rules of it. Okay, so once you download that, just install it, and when you will open this, so it will be something like this, and it is very cool and it is very easy guys when you want to download it. So guys, believe me, it's a very cool app to be creative, because when you want to make many projects and make many contents, so it will give you many ideas and many tutorials. So by that you can be creative and you can make such of things. So I hope I will make a lot of tutorials on it. So guys, keep watching, and that's all for today. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give a like down below, that will be a lot for me, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time with another video.